Reze, the Reze arc, the movie coming out soon. So let's draw Bomb Devil Reze. Landscape page, pencil eraser. Hip pose if I go too fast. So, like, no eye really, but there's like a half moon sort of shape for her eye. And then there's a big, yeah, she looks like a blimp. So, I guess, let's see where to begin. Yeah, maybe that half moon eye shape. Like here. Yeah, so it's kind of like a curve like that. But it's kind of, it's thicker, right? So it's like a dark shadow. It's like a closed sort of cartoony eye. Okay, or like a half, or like a moon, like a tiny slit of a moon. Right, so then her nose comes down from this, curving down this way. And then the blimp sort of shape starts at the front, right? So this sort of torpedo bomb sort of shape. And there's like, how high up do we go? About probably up to there. We want to carve it gradually around to like that. This is like the top half of her head, and then there's like a metal sort of plate on the front here. Like a real old style bomb. So her teeth are in here, so we got like this sort of angle, and then it comes down and out for her chin. Right, so then she has a chin plate like this, kinda down there. And then her teeth are all in here. So we got like the top of the gum, right? It kind of just joins her head, so there's no sort of lips or anything. So each tooth, there's all shadows in between her teeth as well, but we'll draw in the main shapes for these teeth first. There might be a bit of a shadow gap here. And then we go down around the other side. And then each of these is a tooth as well. And like there's shadows in here, like black sort of shadows just in between the teeth. And then stuff on the top. Like there's all these wrinkles and cracks and stuff in her gums and all this. So there's two halves to the area of her head. So it goes like this way. Seems to be a crack in this as well here. And then this comes down under her chin. Like into there. She's got like a clip or something, like a rectangular clip on top. So in the back part of the bomb, right, so goes this way. It is a bit, it has lines on it and stuff, but we'll just get the general shape in first. Down there, it's kind of long, sort of tubular thing, and then we go this way. and then it like comes around her neck. And these have this kind of twisted spiral lines on them. I would say this way. Kind of like 2 in each section. Okay. And then you got like spikes sticking up here. And this one is in front. And the next one in front of that one. You can see the bottom of these two actually. Like so, and then we got like a patterned neck. So it goes like up, down, around, up, like so, down, around. Just repeats. Until we get to like the very base of her neck and the collar of her shirt. How many? 1, 2, 3, yeah, 4. Fourth one here. And then like a white shirt collar. Like that. Okay, so she's got like a strap top on, and it becomes skin, I think. Like it's kind of bumpy. Right, coming around sort of the shape like that. And there's these, so it's got like wrinkles, and it kind of reminds me of leather a bit, but it's obviously like not. It's made of other stuff, devil stuff. And kind of like coming down her body here as well. Okay, and then a tied ribbon. no buttons here. I don't know if there should be. But just shoulders and a bit more white shirt. A bit more white shirt there. A tiny little bit of it. A little extra detail. And then her shoulders. So very feminine, small shoulders. Like armpit. This is like an apron sort of thing. There's like tentacles and stuff every now and then kind of sticking off. Here on the side of her arm. Yeah. Reze, Bomb Devil. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.